How to fix the Android not registering to a network. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. When your phone shows not registered on network, here is what you should do. First of all, make sure to restart your phone once. Then after, swipe down your control panel and make sure to tap on airplane mode. Turn on or toggle on the airplane mode for about 30 seconds and then turn it off back again. After that, also make sure to check your SIM card, remove it, clean it and then reinsert it in the SIM card section. Next up, it could be issue with your network settings. To check this one, head over to settings. Once you are on settings, head over to network and internet. Tap on SIM card and mobile network and then choose your SIM card or network operator manually. If this does not work, you'll have to reset the network settings. In order to do so, head over to your settings again. Scroll down and find the option of system. Tap on it and head over to reset option. Tap on reset all settings or reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Once that is done, it will reset and erase all the saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth but can fix the mobile issues. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.